There's nothing quite like waking up to a morning sunrise and looking over a lake with water as still as glass. A world-class combination of timeless architectural design and craftsmanship, this private sanctuary offers old-world elegance with modern conveniences. Perched on the highest point of Lake Minnetonka in Deep Haven, Minnesota, this luxury estate was the most expensive home in the state. One of the largest and most talked about homes in Minnesota's Lake Minnetonka, the home even has a name, Bella Vista, a nod to the gorgeous views of Lake Minnetonka found in basically every room. The sprawling Lakeside home was built in 2012 and designed by Eskuche Architecture, built by John Kraemer and Sons with interior design by Verve Design Group. The house has a great room with a 2-story wall of windows and an entryway, also with 2 stories with inlaid wood flooring. It also has a large chef's kitchen on the main level, there is a sunroom and an office space. Throughout the house, the presence of extraordinary architectural and design elements can be seen, from custom plaster walls to walnut floors. Spanning more than 18,000 square feet, with 5 bedrooms and 9 bathrooms on a 1.8-acre waterfront property with 195 feet of lakeshore, the home was built with the finest level of finishings with no detail overlooked. Another astonishing division of the home is the master suite on the upper level, which includes a sitting area with a fireplace, a private balcony, a luxurious full bath, among many other features. The home features a viewing terrace overlooking the swimming pool and the lake. Pool house with viewing terrace, sport court, bowling alley, golf simulator, state-of-the-art gym, wood-paneled theater, rooftop sky deck, and a music club. Bella Vista's most unique amenity is the Cavern Music Club. The Beatles-themed club has a raised stage, PA system, and lighting rig. Every room in the house enjoys commanding views of Lake Minnetonka. Outdoor features include a gated entrance, motor court, rooftop deck, covered and uncovered patios, swimming pool with spa, and a dock. The 18,000 square foot home was sold recently for $8.2 million after 2 years on the market and a cut of nearly half from its original $15.7 million price tag. It became the biggest residential real estate sale of the year, eclipsing the previous top sale of 2020, a $5.5 million deal for an estate in Wayzata.